Hey guys, it's Frances. Welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I will be doing an unboxing as well as a plan with me. I was contacted by this sweet woman named Olia who owns an online sticker store, Surprz.com. You can see the spelling on the envelope. And she asked if she could send me some stickers to review, and I said yes, of course. I was originally going to do, I originally did this live, but I realized as I was editing that I was basically saying so cute for 12 minutes straight, so I decided to speed it up and spare you guys. But I do want to start off by saying I really do think these stickers are so cute. What I liked about these is that she customizes them to look like you. So you can go on the website, pick the kit that you want, and then there's drop downs and you can pick your hair color, eye color, skin color, all that good stuff, and it'll generate to look like you. There's also a section where you can type in your name. So she will type your name in the stickers, which were the full boxes in the beginning. And then there's also another section to where you can type in your best friend's name, which I thought was really cool. So my best friend's name is Jessica, and she put Jessica's name on these stickers, which I really liked. Now I just have to get Jessica to actually hang out with me so that I can use these stickers. So Jessica, if you're watching, we need to hang out. So I'm just gonna go through these stickers so you guys can see it. I really like these emoji stickers. I was actually just talking to my sister about having emoji stickers, and I was like, oh yeah, that would be cute. And now like I have them, so I'm going to hoard them probably. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the rest of the stickers. She also sent some extras, which you will see right here. I really liked this pocket. It's like silver foil. I've never had one of these pockets before, so I'm so excited to use it in my planner, or maybe just hoard it because I will never want to use it up. And this is a sticker that you can color in. I really like these die cuts too. I didn't get to use it in this plan with me, but I think in a future plan with me, in my memory planner or something like that, I will probably end up using those. So for the rest of this video, it is going to be a talk through. I will leave a code down below. So if you want to get this kit or any other kit, you can use my code Frances10 for 10% off. And I will leave the website and all that listed down below. So yeah, let's just get started. I did pick out the paper that I wanted to use. I went ahead and punched out the squares just to save on time. This is like a wood grain. I think you guys can see it. So I went ahead and punched those out. I thought those would go good with the stickers. And then I also pulled out this sheet, and I thought since I wasn't going to use the date covers, I could put these on top instead, since it's pretty similar handwriting to the stickers. And then I also pulled out this from the LOL paper pad because you guys know I just love that paper pad so much. So I didn't cut anything out on this one because I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to use this. I wasn't really sure if this one was going to go at all, so I pulled it out just in case I wanted to use it. And then I did pull out some washi. So yeah, let me just open my planner. I'm going to pull these out. I noticed that these have feathers on them, but I don't think, I was thinking about maybe using that instead of the washi, but I think I want to go with the washi. Yeah, I think I want to go ahead and put this washi down, so I'll start off by doing that. So I didn't film last week. I might have to wipe that out. I didn't film last week because I was really under the weather. I don't know what was going on. I think I was trying to fight the flu. I think it was like a combination of things. I think I was trying to fight the flu, and then I get like, I have acid reflux, but then I also have had gastritis in the past, and I think I get like flare-ups every couple of like months. It's Monday night. I didn't feel good. I was at work. I didn't feel well at all. My friend invited me to a basketball game, and I had said yes, but I got home and I was like, I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna get better, and it didn't get better. I felt so bad because I really wanted to go to the game, but yeah. And then that night I had chills, and it was awful. So I was like that for most of the week until probably Friday. I felt better, but yeah, it was not the greatest. It was not the greatest week last week. So I was just not in a filming mood. I do work at a doctor's office, so there's been a lot of, luckily he's a specialist, so we don't see a lot of people with the flu because he doesn't treat that. And normally if someone calls and says that they have the flu, we're like, okay, just stay at home. Do not come here with that because we do not want to get sick. So normally we don't have to worry about getting sick as much, but there are times when people come in sick anyway and they'll be like, oh, I have the flu. I have literally had someone cough on my hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wanted to run to the bathroom and wash my hands immediately. I'm like, if you know that you have the flu, why would you cough on my hand? I was so annoyed. So if you're probably wondering how that happened, but I was taking the person's weight, and it's not the kind of scale that we have isn't a digital scale. It's like one of those scales that you have to move the little thing until it's balanced. It's like an old school scale. So he got on the scale, so my hand was doing that, and then like his face is facing my hand, and next thing I know, he coughs, doesn't cover his mouth, just coughs all on my hand. Oh my gosh, I wanted to lose it. I felt like that I don't know if you like, I felt like that monster on Monster Zeke when he's like, we have a 2319. I don't even know if that's the right code, but that's what I felt like. I was just like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe this man just coughed on my hand. Like, what the heck? But yeah, luckily I have dodged that. I didn't get the flu, and hopefully I will not get it at all. Okay, so I think I also want to use some of these washies on top of this one. Okay, I think I'm actually going to go with this teal color. This might be too short, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna see about that. I might have to cut out some more. I want to see if these are gonna fit on there. They look kind of big. Okay, those are gonna be too big, which sucks, but I think I will use the headers up here, and then I'll just use these ones for whenever I use them in my memory planner. And I think I'll do the purple since I used the blue down here. So this weekend, awesome, I'm excited for. On Friday, we bought tickets to go see, oh, that's gonna be, okay, I'm just gonna put it in the middle so that doesn't cover up the 4. Or do I want to, okay, I'm trying to think if I want to cover up the numbers and then write them in here. I'll try that since I don't normally do that. So I'm just gonna white it out. Yeah, we got tickets to see Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets in, I don't know, I guess in concert. So basically they play the movie on like a big screen, and then the symphony plays the songs to the movie. So I think that's pretty cool. I actually went to go see Game of Thrones in concert, but that one was a little different. It wasn't, they would just play clips of different scenes. And I believe that one, I don't remember if that one was a Charlotte Symphony too, or if it was a different symphony, but they had like people singing too, and that one was really nice. It's just something about music that I love. Like I used to be in the band, and I just love instruments and music and stuff like that. So mix it with Harry Potter and it's like my perfect recipe, I guess. Okay, this is gonna be kind of hard for me because I don't do these all the time. Okay, so that's that. And even though Monday has already passed, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a box right there because I had Monday off. So I work like one Monday and then don't work one Monday. So I usually, I try and keep track of the Mondays that I work. Because sometimes I get confused. I'm like, am I working this Monday or am I not working this Monday? Oh, perfect. I'll use this day off sticker instead. And actually, maybe I'll, should I put it on here? I think I might. I'll just do that. I'll try that and see how I like it. Oh, maybe I could put one of these little emojis with it. Let's see. I'll do this one. All right, so I ended up changing a couple things. I decided to add the washi just all the way across on both columns, and then I put the foiled washi up here like just for the weekend. I tried moving this one, but it started ripping, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna let it live its life there because I didn't want to mess up the tape. So we're just gonna leave that right there. And okay, so I was gonna mark Ash Wednesday on Wednesday. So let's see. I'll just use this. Okay, I'm gonna do the sidebar real quick. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Okay, I want to do one of these. I was gonna do one of these, but the washi's right there, so I'm not gonna use that. So I'll use this Wild as the Wind. And I'll put that right there. And hopefully that's straight. It doesn't look like it's straight, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And I want to put that down there. Okay, we're going to figure that out later. So for the Harry Potter night, I kind of want to use this big thing. And then maybe use one of these. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put down another one of these scrapbook sheets, only because I know I'm not going to use this part. I do have an Amazon order coming in, supposed to be coming in on Wednesday, so I'll mark that somewhere, maybe right here, I don't know. I might use one of these flags for that Amazon order. Do it in blue. Oh wait, is there this? No, maybe I'll use this shopping thing. And then I just saw this Hello Weekend thing, so I'm gonna put one of those up here. I want to mark the girls' night on Wednesday, but I feel like this is too small. I'll probably use this. Oh, do I have any bills due this week? Yes, on the 6th and the 8th. Dang, which one's the 6th? So Wednesday's the 6th. Okay, so I'll mark that with this. And the 8th is Friday. And do I get paid this Friday? Dang, I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I do get paid this Friday. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to use this box with one of these to mark my payday. And then I'm probably going to need a to-do list on Friday. I need a to-do list in a couple of places. I just have to figure out where. Okay, so I'm going to use these checklists, and then kind of want to use these headers over here. Oh, I just realized there's a bill due thing right here. I'll use it for my other planner. I am going to lower this down a little bit only because I feel like it looks a little weird. Okay, I just realized I haven't put any of these boxes down. Okay, so this is the one that I had wanted to use. So I'm going to put her over here on Sunday. She's over here living her best life. Actually, there's going to be some space. So I'm going to put the blue ones down. This looks cute. Okay. And then on this side, I think I'm going to put one of these quotes. So I'm going to go back in with the... Yeah, I guess I'll do the blue again. I think these stickers are just so cute. And I think I actually want to put one right here too. Okay, just kidding. I can't peel this off. I'm going to put it up here. And I'll just stick with the blue. Oh, but there's blue right there. Okay, I'm gonna actually do the yellow. Alright you guys, that is all I'm going to do for now. I will add more as the week progresses if I need to. I will definitely show you guys the finished product on Instagram. I'm going to leave all of this shop's information listed down below if you guys are interested in purchasing a kit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!